So one side of the string is positive, while the other side has a strong negative pole, and controls of electricity and needs to travel. That's right. That's pretty good. But you get the idea that it does, if it travels and just keeps traveling, electricity. You ever, run your feet over a carpet like that and touch something? What happens?
Static electricity.
That's right. Now where does it go when you have so that's